Pikin. If you don't follow us on top social media platform, you go don't see the flyer. We don't put them out already on Instagram and at Wazobia on Wazobia FM Lagos. Now waiting will be for there, and you go also find on Facebook and also stream live with us. Not forgetting Twitter also. We don't put out the topic for there. Go there, drop your comments, okay? And today we get the honor to get with us inside the building, Mrs. Zwera Ikaro Schwab.
Yeah.
Welcome. You know this name? Sleepless Nights. Welcome. I hope so I get that name correct.
You did well.
So unique.
You do well.
So unique.
Yeah.
First of all, I need to have that mic. Okay. I need to know which side this name come from.
So Zwera is a
I love
Muslim
it.
name.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a Muslim name.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Zwera. Oh goodness. You know that name where they come with. You get something about the name, you just turn. Who be
And
that?
you've actually called the meaning of the name.
I do?
Yeah.
What
You
is
just
the
said
meaning?
goddess. But the meaning it means is a jewel,
Yes.
a special kind of jewel, and a warrior.
A warrior, right?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You know, at the time you say it gets something with the name, that fierceness, like Zwera. Like
yes.
like when they call Queen Amina.
Of course. You get it.
I get it. I know these things. I speak by God. I know these things when I say them.
Well done.
And you truly be a warrior. You the fight for good cause now.
Of course.
Okay, I'm so honored to have you inside this building. And you can
Of
see how
course.
excited I be.
Of course.
All right. So we get to talk about African parents and why did they encourage such. I see them as shenanigans. Now things where you no suppose even think about. Like I no go fit imagine in my widest imagination to feel things say I go fit born a child in that tenderness.
Truth be said, some parents don't really know. They don't really know what thing that they do, and that's why they continue to educate them on what to do. So some parents, when they give birth to their babies, they think say as the baby come out, white from the womb sac, the baby go continue to the white, even though they forget say themselves no white too. But there's this thing or this cliche about I want my baby continue to the yellow. Wow. Which they forget say even that melanin production where the baby they get
melanin popping from heaven.
The thing as the baby they grow now to protect the baby. And to protect the baby from the skin and other, nyama things and the environment. They don't know say that melanin itself good for the baby to help the baby grow well and develop well.
I go like ask a direct question for the African parents now. I understand they more when looking at the statistics, you go see say now women and then they champion this course. I don't hear of women where they secretly they do them without the consent of their people or people where they are around them or even their husbands. Now I want to understand wetin they lead an African woman to one white make in baby skin make it white to one bleach and wetin they lead her to do this.
Like I talked before, I don't know, their own thinking and they want make their pikin belong to a certain kind of. They believe say if your pikin no fine fair, the pikin never look like a healthy baby. All those kind things where we parents they put inside our head.
Wow.
So now to correct that notion, say your pikin is feisty, they dark, melanin popping and still healthy.
All right. So but you get people, because I believe for them to feed they bleach this children's skin. Then you get people where they mix these things for them. I mean, at them they mix them for themselves.
No, they actually get people where they mix them, and sometimes I wouldn't say I don't go to blame those people, because sometimes the parents self go come, they say they want so thing. They want make their baby continue to dey fair. Now them go come with the demand.
So when they come with this demand, is it that they already get the ones where they work for children, or they produce the one where go work for children, or being an adult one that they still mix?
Sometimes some parents too they use adult creams for the then sometimes some of these people they don't even know the combination of wetin that they mix inside, and that's why as parents we should advise ourselves, more go back to our roots as natural as possible. They're everywhere. Shea butter there everywhere. Mango butter there everywhere.
The mango even get butter.
Yes, every
you
day.
They run straight like they run speed. You go calm down small.
So they're there everywhere. Sometimes they even know the composition of everything that they sell package for you. That's why even as parents, when they read labels or wetin you dey buy, know where you dey buy some of those products from.
Nigeria, Africa, and people where they listen all over the world. I go like make you send in your question on top WhatsApp 0809597588, and then the phone lines. I go also open up to fit take calls. If you also tweet at me, we don't put out the topic for the day out for you there for you to fit tweet at us. Tell us waiting you don't hear, waiting you know. But presently, you they support this cause. I be don't see people where they do did it they wait for your updates on top Twitter. Please send in your comments on top Twitter. I would like make us see that particular one. And somebody already said, Cheche, God will bless your head. So you finally brought somebody. Yes, because actually 2 weeks ago, that conversation been come up. I say I did look for that expert.
Okay.
We can explain why parents they put their hand into all these kind things. Now, Chera, I want make you take out time to feel mention. Now you mentioned say go back to your roots. Now, make I assume say na ignorance. These women don't know what thing they go do. They don't know what thing they go use. Please, as much as possible. I understand say you be somebody where they champion the cause for a healthy skin and healthy living for children. We go a little bit into that, but then we also talk about what are these things. Let's imagine say you get a parents where they out there we don't even know what thing to use for baby skin. Okay, let's assume say okay, what thing they use, you don't know whether make you use them for baby skin, but the natural things where you go feel use for baby skin, where they come from us, where they here rooted in Nigeria.
There plenty.
Please, just give us some.
Shea butter, the coconut oil, the palm kernel. You know those palm kernel where our ancient mothers they use. It's good for baby skin.
Some people they talk say they don't want to use that palm kernel because it they dirty the baby body and cloth.
No. A little goes a long way. Not supposed to pack on too much.
Okay,
so even further protect the pikin. And from our ancient days, palm kernel they help children if they get like temperature issue or cold issue. So it goes beyond just the skin. The skin is actually the largest organ. No, this one I sure say we don't hear this one. No be for mouth, no be for wash.
Okay.
But truth be say anything where you put for your pikin skin, yes, if he help make that child stronger or weaker. So it's up to us. It is in our hands to do better for our children.
Wow. Somebody they asked Church, I'm very much interested in what to use. Thank you for mentioning that for me. Okay, if my wife bleach my pikin, I go do DNA test. Okay, somebody talk say I need to know exactly what my baby will use. It be like saying because of me you bring this lady here. So Cheche, how do I go about that mango butter that she mentioned? Maybe we go no worry, you they run speed with they come. One person there near my shop though, not educated, but bleaches herself and are now bleaching her baby of 4 years. He says since birth, and it they shrink the baby body. And what we could talk about some of the side effects these things we give to babies.
Number one, you just they pack unnecessary eczema for that child, and all these things get long time effects. Cancer did there, respiratory issues did there, skin damage did there, and before when pikin skin damage, they good for even e get long term effects. The pikin skin go shrink, e go take long time. Imagine pikin wey no know wetin dey do, you can't damage that pikin skin. Wow, it's really not good.
Oh my goodness. And I see another question here. Cheche, is there even people who are pioneers wey go actually educate these women on what to use? Wetin our people when they go for antenatal, wetin they teach them for there? You think saying something where we say they suppose they bring up. True. Because when you go all this antenatal and all that, they teach women waiting to feed their children, right? They tell them, some of them they tell them how you go begin to wean the child and do all these things. I think this supposed to be part of them now.
Truth be say that they teach them, but as we be now, some of us get coconut head. Now what we want use, now we go still use. They go say after all now they're picking. So now to continuously they talk about her.
You don't check out for let me check market now. I understand say when it come adults skin bleaching or whatever they do, they sell them for. Some of them they sell them in open market. I remember Cynthia, my guest we come 2 weeks ago, mentioned to me, say Cheche, you need to take a walk to go see these things for yourself, and with a plan for me to go see by myself. Now I want to talk. These people they do for open markets. The people where they sell for children.
They open markets. And like I say, not be everybody they truthful for what they even put for in products. You really cannot see, and that's why I say let's go back to our roots. What you can control. You should
control because if you put something else,
you
you
no
even
even
write
know.
something else.
Yes.
But the people where they check the wetin they come in, they control the wetin we they eat and wetin we they put for our skin. These controlling agencies, them, they know they test. You know, not be by word of mouth.
Cheche, the truth be say that they test, but they are not against. It's not a contraband item. I don't know how I would put them. It's not a contraband item. So
But oh, I don't even know. My head they hurt me now. If you know because they damage the skin for the children, and if the parents not pay attention, just like some article where they read for the UK, but you get some kind of, I don't want to call the name of the chemicals where we say you know go fit put for cream.
Yes.
Now it never reach for us to say okay, so and so chemicals or so and so component or whatever you know supposed put them for any cream or any whatever a child they use.
True be say now that too they try they regulate some of all these things. But you know how we human beings feel be. There's a regulation and there's a regulatory body that stops all these things, but
because we never begin they go jail.
Because
parents never begin they go jail.
They even carry adult products go use
Rubber.
for Pikin.
Thank you for bringing your guest chair talk and do. Yes, boss lady, this bleaching of baby started from using of skin things that they use for nappy rashes. Now I want to make you talk about she makes sense. Thank you so much, Casey from Agege. You know, when we be they grow up, remember when children begin they get rashes, I know sure say children they go all those kinds of where some na powder they go first use. Now they begin they use some tube things.
Truth be say, over the counter they call their OTS creams. They're and those ones they are recommended specifically for some
reactions,
purposes. Yes, for some reaction. They're not supposed to use it for I think more than 7 days. They're not supposed to use it for more than 7 days. But as like I say, as we humans are, when they begin they see the effect, they go start to they use them. And they don't know say even when they now stop, that thing where they treat, it go come even worse.
Wow. Cheche, my baby having skin irritation, and now why I begin to rub that tube? You mentioned the tube, whatever, and then it can't clear them. I am a suspect in this thing. I think I have to stop. Thank you.
Some of them contain steroids.
Okay.
So they even do more harm that you don't even know actually. And that's why I said go back to your roots. And some of we mothers, we know they know as when you born Pikin, it is normal. Your Pikin must develop rash. Because that Pikin, they try to adjust to another environment. So it's all part of the developmental rate of that child. So allow the Pikin. As that rash come, it go give them time. 3-7 days. If you don't go back to your dermatologist or the child's doctor. And don't just take things on your hand and just go they buy cream or because a person use this one and work for and you go carry use for your Pikin. Don't be so.
Wow, I get so many questions where they pop in here. We go make sure say we handle them and pick some calls. Also, I did for Twitter. I go fit tweet at us. We don't put out the topic for there. We they ask you, wetin you think, and also they ask you say say some parents and don't begin they bleach their children. I see somebody also reaching out. Thank you for the retweets and also thank you for the likes for them. We appreciate you on Twitter at @wazobia_FM. I go read comments from there. Also on Instagram, we don't already put out the information. Even if you drop your own comments on Instagram, we go see them and we go make sure say we read them. Cheche, please, thank you for coming to help us. May help come to you and Mrs. Zuerat. She write your name working. She don't see the name for social media. She write her well.
Okay.
Hi guys. You mentioned a company say that they mix chemicals where be saying different things they go come mix inside together. I don't see person where mix them, then put oil inside and just to bleach.
No.
Sad. Teacher, please help me ask her. You ask her. He said, please ask her if a mother that bleach and she's pregnant, if she gives birth, will it affect the child? Felicia.
Not do. But for me, as a triplet mother,
yes,
when I get belly, you get some things where doctors say make I stop today, even use bath. Because my pregnancy was a sensitive one or a delicate one.
I go ask you, how did you how you manage? You born triplets.
Yeah.
They know they work. How?
And they
why you carry her? You carry her for head. Congratulations.
Yeah. So I believe just stop all you need to stop for that certain time and have your baby first.
But I remember a dermatologist we mentioned say as long as they go through your skin and like you mentioned that one of the biggest largest organ actually in the body, they go through, they sip in, and your child they taking this. Most of these things they pass through the bloodstream,
of
and
course.
then before you know boom. it don't
e
enter
don
your
enter
your child body.
because something else wey you no even know,
I tell
wey you no
you.
fit detect now. The cause and effect na long time thing.
So you go fit cause something later now. You no go
Yes, you
come
no
know
go
say na
even trace
wetin
say
you
na
do.
wetin you use.
Wow. Hi, Cheche Pickles. Yes, I dey come. I dey try make sure say I balance them all around. I go also go on Instagram to check out comments for there. Also Twitter, I go fit Twitter us at Wazobia_FM, hashtag Health Corner, and of course hashtag Oga Madam Show. Any chai Cheche palm oil is 100%. My mom don't joke with it. Brace.
Yes.
Thank you, Mrs. Zoera. This your name way you spell. You know spell her well.
Oh my God.
Now that name, everybody want call that name. Hi, Cheche. Chai, enlighten us, please, about all the screams. Kids and more, they are so precious. Don't name my name out. Okay, I won't call your name out. You be one of the people, Abby. You'll be welcome. Hi, Cheche Smith. I guess, please, what is the side effect of bleaching, but even especially for children?
Cancer dey there, respiratory issues dey there.
Respiratory issues, and these children they continue to
skin damage. Repairing skin na one tough thing o. No be just as you dey see am. Yeah, for that pikin skin wey don first dey delicate, pikin skin wey don first dey thin. The skin barrier of a child is thinner than that of an adult. You come dey add more things to further weaken the skin, and that melanin wey pikin dey even produce as pikin dey grow, e dey help protect that child. We no even know, you dey come further break the barrier down.
Lagos, make we take this break. I dey come back. When I come back, it will be time for your comments on Twitter, on Instagram, and of course, I go pick phone calls, okay? Thank you so much for you joining the conversation. No touch your die, na Health Corner we dey. And you, they enjoy this conversation. We dey come. Yes, you be part of wetin dey happen for here. We dey talk about how African parents don dey bleach their pikin dem skin, and we get our guest in the building. Of course, Madam Zuera dey here with us to feed a chook mouth on top wetin we dey talk about. So also open your eyes to some of the things where you no know, where you suppose know the level of damage where you dey do to this your children dem. And I don top Instagram, make I see wetin una dey talk. And somebody talk for Instagram for there, say your name na Amaka.Lillian. He talks, say I know of more than 3 persons them that want their kids to be Oyibo by force. Wow. And I am favor_1889 talks, say no be new thing. No. Wow, you shock me. No be new. Let me say no plenty people. Okay, thank you for that comment on Instagram. Then we there for Twitter also. Somebody people they also the Twitter talk. Somebody talk. Edward Vienna talk, say e dey bad to bleach baby skin. Many bad effect they follow am. I make sure my wife use only creams recommended by pediatrician. Thank you so much, Edward Vienna. Dayo Vienna na VIANNEY. Guys, please follow him on Twitter too. Lillian Nemeka also talks, say I think that some of these mothers, they need to be enlightened on the side effects of this, and those that are not aware of the damage, yet they are going about bleaching their children's skin. Stop them. Okay, thank you so much for that comment. Also, I move over to WhatsApp, and somebody talks, say hello. Some women mix he called the name of the cream. He said with shea butter and claim the child is light skin. It's so pathetic. Cheche Alera from Manchester. Wow, he mentioned the name of the cream.
Like I talk that OTS cream. Now, should I say now like medicated cream will be recommended to treat a particular rash. So they abuse them. They abuse them, and they're not supposed to use them for more than like 7 days. You know, even though that one to get your own side effects because of the steroids. Yeah, it contains and all of that.
Wow, so they will come overuse them.
They will come overuse them.
This is crazy. Alera, thank you. And hey, Cheche, the lady is my namesake. Tell her I love her. So your name
I love you too. Oh. That name is so rare.
So how come you never tell me your name here since? Now the first time I go hear that name. Wow, thank you so much. Your number, and you still not put your name. You know they like put your name. Maybe
she know they proud of the name.
She know they proud of. You know they proud of that name. That name is such a powerful name.
Of course.
Somebody talk for here. Say good afternoon, Cheche. Thank you for all the good work. One woman in my area where they bleach her 3 daughters, and now it makes them look very pale or something. They damage them. she no even know wetin she dey cause for these children. Hello Cheche, since she's an expert, please I need to follow her. Yes, we'll mention her handle soon. Good afternoon Cheche darling, and our lovely guest. Thanks a lot for this wonderful opportunity to enlighten us. Please Cheche, ask her, what of those Orishirishi baby labeled lotion and kits wey full for market? This they talk say e made for baby. Please, is it advisable to use these things for newborn? Because some of them they also bleach the newborn. Oluchi they talk.
Like I say, read your labels. Know wetin they right put. Do your own research, and as much as possible, go back to your African roots.
She don't I feel count how many times where you don't talk go back to your African roots, and you get something where they your match you don't want to talk about, but you continue to the talk say go back to your roots.
Yeah, the truth be say we they always forget say the skin has the ability to heal itself. Whatever they do that your pikin, if not only water you use, the thing go clear back. The skin it recycles, so you get the ability to even take repair itself. So that's why I keep saying go back to your African roots. And the skin, as weather they change, now so your skin too they change. I expect say your skin go dey the same during rainy season and may dey the same during dry season. Now so they change. Or let's assume say you move to another state, or they change location or change environment. It affect. Also, what you even they give that pikin. In fact, that one might be number one.
Okay.
Because the skin health actually starts from the guts, from what you they give your.
What
pikin
they put
chop.
inside? And how many times I don't tell her now?
From 6
Now
months,
they hear
supposed to
cheche.
they give your pikin all those carrots rich in vitamin E, rich in vitamin A, carrot, green peas, mashed apples. Supposed to they mix them with your baby food. And to God who made your baby, you go come out, you go they proud of your baby's skin. That's even actually the rich baby looking billionaire skin where most mothers they go find for all those creams where they don't know. And even if you want your pikin to stay healthy, now should they get belly, now you're supposed to feed that your baby well.
Okay, as
Before
you get
your
belly,
baby come
wetin
out,
you serve the chop, right?
wetin you serve the chop, because now from there now your baby they eat from you. They even the taste palette, everything they form. Because I get some people go complain, I go give my baby vegetable, but my baby no like this.
But you chop am when you dey pregnant. You say am now.
You not chop am.
You not chop am, so
Why the
you don't
pikin
know
go see
wetin
you
e
chop?
be. E dey
You no
strange
know.
to am.
So that's it. From when you get belly, now you're supposed to dey nourish that your pikin. So when he come out, you no go dey strange. From 6 months, children they are born blank and empty. Now wetin you give your pikin, now you go know.
I know of 1 year, 2 years old where they like green juice, and I know why.
So that's so now.
All right, but triplets mom. I ask you again, how are you?
I am very fine.
Jesus Christ.
I did well.
Oh my God is your help. Hi, Cheche. My husband always said I should be rubbing my baby. That thing. Good.
You
so,
see,
how about her?
you know what I talk to? Sometimes even the papa too, we no know, go come, they put pressure on the wife. So now the wife supposed to educate papa. Daddy no be so. I believe Pikin like that. Pikin go grow to his own skin.
Papa they say me they rub
Yes,
inside.
papa go just come from work. Why is my baby looking like this? Why is my baby
Jesus.
looking dark? The mama out of pressure go buy wetin he see, or go buy wetin him friend don talk say good. So even papas too, we need una help, we need una support. No, they put pressure on some of all these women. Leave your pikin. So far you they give it well. So far they are healthy, they okay. No be issue. And even if rash come, just leave this here, observe am. Use wetin you they use. After a while, he go by his own self.
Somebody say abeg, person wey fair from birth until in mid-20s, then come later dark as a result of exposure to hard weather and hardship. Will the baby fair or dark? Which kind of question be this one? No, which kind of question they ask me like this? And if even you never see fair people wey born baby wey dey dark, you never see dark people wey born baby wey dey fair. All these things they happen. Which you see, you are one of the problems. Someone like you now, if you born now, baby no fair, see like.
What you go even do that kind of situation when you get belly? Just make sure say they eat the right thing.
Where you supposed to eat, right?
Just they eat healthy. You go shock. Skin and hair, they are all related. All the same cells renewal growth.
Okay.
Just they eat well. Everything will come in place.
Good afternoon, Cheche. There's one of my aunts where they bleach 3 daughters. I've tried to talk out of, but according to her, they are not my children. Me, no worry. Cheche, majority of school children from 3 to 9 years old now have bleached their skin by their mothers. Wow,
that's so pathetic.
Oh, Cheche, my neighbor they use organic when they sell for kids. You need to see the way he burn the girl face. Okay, Cheche, the guest. Good afternoon. Foolish. He talks say foolish humans want to be wiser than God. That's how I see this matter. My wife is dark in color and she uses palm kernel oil. You see her skin glowing.
Of course.
I agree with your guests. Let's all go back to our root, Oji. Okay, Cheche, this is a wonderful session. Thank you. Thank you too. Good afternoon. Mine is not about babies, about myself. I traveled, I forgot my cream. I went to some shops, I couldn't find it. I decided to be using my mom's cream. Behold, my legs got many spots and whitish. Maybe no before you. Okay. God bless you and thank you for the guest, Cheche. Thank you. Sugar Doctor, thank you for bringing this topic again. My name is John Daniel. And somebody say, Cheche, then what do we now use? Is lack of what to use that drives some of us to. Some of you who? Cut me out.
We don't believe in waiting we get. We don't believe in the resources where God don't bless us with. That's why we they look outside.
Make I pick calls. You need to share your own, what do you think about this particular matter? What do you know? You be one of the people where they use them. And why they use them? You realize that these children go enter, begin they get health problems from their skin to inside their body because you don't put so much chemicals inside. I do on top the phone lines now. Lagos chook mouth.
Cheche love.
Hey, boo boo.
Good afternoon. No.
Good afternoon.
Our guest, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, darling.
Okay.
I beg, I want to ask something. No. I they use coconut water with black soap. I they mix them together for my baby. Is they okay?
Why are you mixing the black soap with coconut water? Because coconut water, if left for a long time without keeping in the refrigerator, it will begin to spoil the black soap. So why not use only the black soap itself?
I really want to know
Give
why
your
should they
Pikin
use
the coconut water drink.
to drink. Thank you.
We they drink them.
Thank
We
you.
they even
You
add
know-
them to our smoothie.
Yes, you know
So
what?
leave the black soap on its own because that coconut water, if you leave them, it will begin to damage the soap. So now that one self might be another bad practice where some people they do.
I go really want to hear. I wish she mentioned who tell her make she they put coconut. You go don't hear from somebody, man.
Use the soap different, separately on its own.
Hello, Auntie Jeje, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon, chook mouth.
I need to say from Ajeope.
Okay, welcome, Ekene.
Auntie Jeje, the issue I noticed for everything, with the like we have in Nigeria, we never ever build our products now the best.
Okay.
And would they say anything import or come from over that side, they always say the best.
Wow.
Like, and I know that it's not way to when we get for it. Now those ones they use they produce these things so they
Yeah,
die.
correct, very correct.
You understand?
You go school.
Yes, I think we
You
need
go
to get
school.
up.
Thank you. You go school. You go school. Lagos chook mouth.
Hello, Cheche. Good
Yes,
afternoon.
welcome. Fire down. Fire down.
Thank you for this matter where you bring now.
Oshé.
After they talk to you now, my neighbor will do am. She dey bleach her daughter. She dey bleach her daughter.
What thing should they use? Should they buy the cream?
She dey mix orishirishi. A small girl, oh. And you know, say, where would they live for is so long? They say a person will get money, now they bleach.
Kai,
And they are headache.
Oh, so
I
they
tell you,
form
for
like
the
say they
summer.
get money.
Yes. Because no be new thing.
Wow. Lagos chook mouth.
Number one.
Hey, Mama, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ade Kajado.
Thank you for this wonderful topic.
Thank you.
There are plenty for this my area. Even I have this one last week. The bleaching daughter. I said, this girl, but the girl come the white. He need them come black like a monkey own.
Hey.
I said, why you come the rub bleaching cream? He said, and small children. I said, no, rub them. No good for their body. Buy ori. So they carry ori, they walk up and down. Buy 100 naira. They rub these children. Say as you get body, now you don't damage your skin. Say no good. Because they listen, you can say thank you. Say no good. You just spoil the girl body.
Wow. You can't dey look, you can't say thank you. So you don't know before, so what should they do now? Hell. Lagos chook mouth, my last caller.
Hello, but just one.
Yes, welcome.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Should I hear you?
Good afternoon.
During 2005, the thing what I use for my baby is Toto soap
Okay.
and cream.
Okay.
And she yellow. Even if people see and they ask me, say, what is they use for your pikin? I said, no, only Toto soap because for we have center where would they go? Now the cream they ask us to buy. So I use it and her skin is good. But as now she has grown. The other cream they use, the thing they not good for her, but I don't know the cream I will use for her.
You don't need any cream. Go back to your root and they tell you why would always go for cream to use. I don't understand. If they give me a headache, if you know they give you a headache, why do you the need for that? Hey,
Um,
good afternoon.
I love this.
Welcome.
Actually, some will bless.
Thank you. That line they break. That line they break. No, the line they break. You need to shift. The line they break. The line they break so bad. I there for Twitter now. Peter Luchi Onye Chidi. Okay, please follow her for Twitter. She talks, say, Cheche, thank you for this topic. I saw a friend's daughter at the party I attended. The way they became white with green veins. I can't imagine whether na natural or waiting. No, can be.
Green veins.
Green veins. Oh, but sorry, Madam Zora, for green veins to begin to come out for children body.
The thing don't go deep.
Oh no, this child there for trouble now.
Don't go deep.
Okay, I dey try rush up more messages before I go fit come on out for you. Please, Church, I use olive oil for my kids. Ask the guest if it's okay.
Of course, if it's because some of those oils, you get the ones way good and the ones way they like not really original, and that's why they always say use the one where you know say you did sure. Coconut oil, idiagbon, which is big palm kernel oil.
Palm kernel
right?
oil, yes.
So sometimes olive oil today the counterfeit one day.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. All right. Yes, it's true. Hi, Cheche. Too much with the kind of pressure they put for the body. Your sister they put too much pressure for her body. My children are getting that. Go and buy cream. Let them like now. Wow. And me and my husband are dark.
you see, that's why they say some of these parents they forget to say themselves black.
Somebody say, "One, thank you and the guests for this wonderful talking." But I think we should teach more people about the black, the beauty. We they learn how to be ourselves. A person need to teach you. Say you look beautiful. Now something where you need to know for yourself. How I go teach you that black is beautiful?
So Beyonce even sings songs.
Who teach you say na white they beautiful?
I don't know.
Then I come not teach you say black is beautiful. If you don't appreciate, you don't appreciate God will create you like that. Abi?
You hear that caller and I tell you, say now one cliche way some of our parents believe. Say,
Yeah.
when your Pikin fine, your Pikin the in thing in town. No, if you make your Pikin fine, go load up on fruits, vegetables.
It's right.
Multivitamins, boost the child health from within.
Good afternoon. My neighbor uses 7-day cream for hand and leg, for face, for herself. She even used it for her daughter from baby till the girl was 3 years old. She started having skin cancer.
You can imagine. And once Pikin get that thing, it hard to treat.
She said the skin begin to shed off.
It hard to treat. It go even cause other damage for other organs.
Oh my goodness. Good afternoon. My wife used natural items though for my baby. She looks natural. Hi,
Correct.
Cheche. Thank you. My brother's wife, they mix olive oil inside ori for her children.
That's still okay.
Okay, because of what you mentioned.
Yes.
Okay, they get some, but be careful with the olive oil where they get, right? Good afternoon. This guest is wonderful. How do I follow her? You go know where to follow her now. Church, but what you when you begin this campaign, then you begin the research, they do so much work, they find out that children need to live healthy, and then it can lead you into trying to make some things for children too. Now, wetin lead you, Abina, wetin you see? Wetin really lead you into them?
First of all, wetin lead me into when I get belle, I always
need your
remember
voice. Okay.
doctor they tell me, oh, don't use this particular soap because of the perfume, don't use this, trying to manage me and the pregnancy. And when I come born, the children came out as premature. Definitely I know go use those things where they tell me make I no use, and I had to be careful.
And you manage these children wey come
only
out.
dey sure of wetin I know with my own hand say I do. So now we can't do something where they can't use.
So now in the question, you begin they do something for them and then
Yes.
decide to teach other mothers.
Yes,
Oh
can't
my
they teach other mothers say,
goodness.
come, this thing dey Africa, oh, it dey here. It dey here.
But to access some of these raw materials, it is hard. I want to understand how, because I know I make oils for myself and also every other person around me get to use. But wouldn't be our problem? Is it laziness or to find these shea butters and go find the root and different things to get them?
They hard, they everywhere, but we need to believe in our own thing.
Okay.
That's just we need to believe in number one, made in Nigeria, made in Africa. We need to rely on our own resources. I don't even know, say these things they go on a long term to help the economy. So why looking out there? Why only relying on even for this child skin health? Look within, and skin health actually starts from the gut. Now, what you give Pikin, your skin cells is a reflection of what's going on inside your esophagus. inside your stomach. Even most mothers no know say when pikin dey get continuous diaper rash, e mean say that pikin they find it hard to digest a particular food. Especially when you don begin introduce pikin to solid from 6 months. Now there that diaper rash dey increase. The pikin dey find it hard to digest some particular food. So your skin health, it starts from wetin you dey put for inside them.
Your type of they don't need to release you now. If they catch you, they keep you one place. Make you vomit everything where you know. Talk hi Cheche, good afternoon. What a wonderful guest. Thank you. Cheche, kids and teens cream they're bleaching them these days made in I use black channel for my baby. Okay. Hi, coconut mix is what I use with Ori. Okay. Somebody talks, say good afternoon, my sweets. Many women are bleaching their children nowadays. If you see some children now, they have green veins in their bodies and their children have body odor. Imagine when a child begin to get Ori me. Child get body odor because of the bleaching. Oh no. This one can't they pay me now. Why? All right. Still on top Twitter. Thank you for everybody with the Twitter toss on the LA_truth. Please follow her on top Twitter. She talks here, I love you people for this matter that you talk about. God bless you people. We love you. Cheche, your guest is so wonderful. Look at her in the picture. Yes. Did they check you out?
That's me.
Okay. Hi, Cheche. My wife is listening. Please help us. Please help you. Me like say this your help. You sound like a cry for help. Truly a cry for help because when if you don't do one or two things for those children, buddy. Cheche, I have followed your guest handle. Wow. So I know what to do now. Oh, you know what to do. Hi, Cheche, woman with my baby on her back, sick for an attention while I was returning home from work. She requests for cream I was using. I told her, lo and behold, she told me she admired my skin. And greatest surprise, she said she was making this request on behalf of her baby. Can you imagine? But you are fair, so she won't make her baby day like that without. This is sad. Oh, Lagos, I really wish that we go fit continue on and on, but like how be the best way for people to follow you? And I really want to ask you, somebody don't come to you before, you don't encounter parents will come to you with help on how to reverse their baby's skin,
like previously bleached.
Yes,
of course, we dey get them many, like so many.
So you go come and begin they do natural.
Yes, going back, like I keep saying, going back to the roots and following it through. Most of us parents we dey look for quick action in everything, and there's no quick action when it comes to skin repair and all of that. It takes more time.
How be the best way for people to follow you? Where they go need to follow you? I know say some of them got more questions to ask you.
Okay, you can find me on I did Instagram, Amal Botanicals.
You go need to spell them, please.
AmalBotanicals.
Okay.
So just search.
Please, when they go come, they go ask you. Please answer
now my
them.
triplets make us start that one. So we always educate mothers and parents, fathers too, in general.
Fathers too.
Yes, because them too they don't know.
And they come back, Lagos.
When they come back, is bad. This is
other skin irritation, it dey affect. So you need to check some of all those things, your environment. You dey forget all those things. Recently, my children get chicken pox. Wetin we use? Our normal natural powder wey we make from botanical clays of arrowroot powder, kaolin clay and herbs. All these things they then we use take calm their skin, and the skin dey clear without even leaving spots. So it's a process. You go let the thing heal. Not try to they want to they be like Oyibo and all this. Now there all these things. Now there all these people too take shit on
the people where you want be like you too.
That is
you see the iron of the whole matter. Somebody say please spell your handle once more.
AmalBotanicals.
Thank you so much, Madam Zohara. Say you come inside the building to come follow us talk. I really do appreciate you. And next time when I call, please.
Thank you for having
come through.
me.
You're welcome. And thank you for some. I know. Please don't ask me any question. Go ask. Thank you for this topic. Thank you so much. And then if you also catch us up the recap of this particular segment, go there for YouTube and of course on top Facebook. You go if you watch them and also if you follow up and also share with other people. Tell other people some of the things where you don't hear and also send the link to other people. So we love you so much. Thank you, ma'am, for coming.
So
I'll say you enjoy your time. You didn't fear about the pigeon. See, you dey relaxed now.
Yes.
I know ask you tea or coffee, but I still ask you tea or coffee or water. Which
You know,
one?
say we did Ramadan.
Yes! Oh my goodness! Pardon me. But we'll go break soon.
Yes.
Avi, well done. Well
Nice
done. Power.
having you, and well done.
Yes, thank you so much. And my love to the triplets.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And
Cheche.
more power to you.
Thank you.
It's good. All right, like I said, I come back next with a jump inside women's corner. Now, you don't need to miss that conversation. Please catch up.